Hi, I'm Angie, your healthcare guide. Today, we're breaking down the explanation of benefits, or EOB, that document from your insurance company that helps you understand what you may need to pay on your medical bill. So, what does it show and how do you use it? I'm here to break it down with real examples. So, let's get started. First, what is an explanation of benefits, or EOB? It's not a bill, but a summary from your insurance company and is provided to both you and your provider to show how the insurance company processed your medical visit. Think of it as your roadmap to understanding what's covered and what you owe. Let's break it down. You'll typically see the same basic information as you would your medical bill on your explanation of benefits. This usually includes the medical provider or facility, claim identification information like a number, the services provided like office visits, diagnostic imaging, or lab tests, what the insurance paid, what you owe, and any additional information on why your insurance company processed your medical bill the way they did, like denials. So here is how to read this particular EOB. Under the first section, we see information related to the services received. Here we have two office visits, each listed as professional services, an imaging service, and lab tests. Along with the type of services, we have the date each service was provided, along with the amount provider bill for each service. In the next section, we see an in-network discount for these visits, meaning this particular provider is in network with this insurance plan. This amount is based on an allowed amount that the provider and insurance company have agreed upon. We then see the amount paid by insurance. On the first two service lines, there is no insurance payment. If we look further in the columns related to our responsibility, however, we see that these two line items were applied to deductible. The remaining service items on the EOB have been processed and the insurance company has paid 80% of the allowable rate for the services, leaving us with 20% for coinsurance. Remember, once you receive your medical bill, it's important to review this bill along with your explanation of benefits to confirm your medical services have been processed correctly. Mistakes can happen both on the billing side and the insurance side, so it's helpful to fully understand what you are responsible for paying. Now, let's look at some real-life scenarios. Let's look at Grace. Her EOB shows $150 allowed amount for a visit. Insurance paid $120, and her copay is $30. All good. No surprises here. Next up, we have Paul. Paul's EOB shows a $500 consultation with a specialist, but it's denied because his insurance company required a referral. After contacting his provider, Paul learned that his provider missed sending the referral to the insurance company, even though it was created. The provider's office appealed the claim denial and provided the referral for Paul's visit. Paul's insurance company reprocessed his medical claim. His insurance company ended up paying $360, leaving Paul with $90 for coinsurance. Always check those denials. Now, Andrea. Andrea's explanation of benefits is partially correct. Her office visit was processed correctly and she owes her copay. However, her insurance company denied a $300 lab test due to a code mix-up. She called her insurance company to understand the denial and found out that it was incorrectly processed using old coding rules. Her insurance company corrected the error, reversing the denial. Here is Andrea's corrected EOB, showing insurance paid $204, and Andrea is responsible for her coinsurance rather than the entire test. Remember, friends, we all make mistakes. It's always good to check with your providers and insurance company when you see something like this that just doesn't make sense. And there you have it, your explanation of benefits. I hope this helps you better understand how your insurance pays your claims and what you may owe on your medical bills. On your healthcare guide, we'll keep breaking down topics just like this. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and pass it along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.